Awesome, looks good. And you got an amp rack off the box? Awesome, okay.
And that's good. I'm going to rebuild this. Yep. I want these up top and ported to the back.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Up there, but
yes, sir. It's a lot of work.
I'm stuck in the mid-40s right now.
Mid-40s? Yes, sir. Hey, what's up, man?
How's it going?
Great. Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
My name is Michael Thomas. Okay. I've got Kenwood head unit, PRV 6.5s in the front doors, PRV 8 neodymiums in the back doors. Okay. I got American Base HD 12s in the back, running off a MD 8K. Okay. Mids and high, or the mids are running off a Rockford Fosgate T1000. The mids and highs are running off a Tarmaps 400x4.
Okay.
I do have a DSP also.
Is fourth order or just ported?
Just ported
from the back. Okay.
The back.
I'll see it afterward.
Yeah.
Awesome. Very nice. And you said HD, so American Base?
Yes.
Okay, got it. Sweet. Did you ever meter it to find out what it was?
140. They got me up there at 143.8.
Okay.
At 32.
32. Okay, so you peak a little low. Got it.
Yeah.
All right, 32.
This is first time ever doing this.
Okay.
With the metering and all.
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna go with a 33.
All right. Is everybody can see the back?
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Awesome. Very nice. Custom built box all the way around. Yes. Who built it?
We did.
Very good. Okay.
Did everything ourselves.
Awesome. Looks good. And you got an amp rack off the box? Awesome. Okay.
And that's good. I'm going to rebuild this. Yep. I want these up top and ported to the back. And then it'll be a better average.
Oh, got it. So, okay. Yep. So you want the subs up?
Yes.
Okay. Yep.
I want to be able to look at them while they're here.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, because you can't see them. Yeah.
Right.
Yep.
I can feel them, but I'd like to see them.
Yes, sir.
I had it up at one time. And let's see.
I was gonna say, have you ever tried it this way? Was it louder or quieter?
Well, never metered.
Never metered, but by ear you could feel a little bit more. Yeah. Awesome. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk-around we got on Michael's system. He was showcasing at the Jacksonville, Florida show. Go ahead and give him a thumbs up if you haven't already, as well as let him know what you think about his system by commenting. I like the layout of the box and the clean install. It's not best, but it got the job done, and it kept the box from moving by putting in some braces in there. So two 12-inch subs on 8,000 watts RMS total for that amplifier. Didn't find out what he was wired to. I'm just going to assume it's at 1 ohm, and I didn't find out what size alternator he had. Sorry about that. And having this designated area for his amplifier and battery bank outside of mounting on the box was really smart to do. And the way he has his tweeters laid out, it might not look the prettiest, but it gets the job done. He could have created little mini tweeter speaker boxes, but it worked for what it was. I could definitely hear the lyrics during the demo as well. And with the subwoofer port being on the driver's side, puts a lot more pressure on me as the passenger when I heard it. May not be a lot of a difference, but it does help a little bit. With the subwoofers facing forward with the port makes it unique. Most people would have subs up, port back. So 2,000 watt RMS is the rated spec for these subwoofers, the HD series from American Base. We're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on. I do daily car audio videos every day, so check me out on my social media as well and enjoy this 3 to 4 minute demo. Awesome. All right.
Just go with a bass track or?
Sure, yeah. And I'll put this up. It's usually a little louder than. me, man. Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate the demo there, man. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for the demo. Awesome. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.